Kani kadega bate CTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka orange nisan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Kanang balwan rasha syo yak Jingïadei ka bakhamjan, hapadeng kari India bat kari Bangladesh. Ka Jadavpur Association of International Relations haringkat ke Jingïadei lang bat ke Indian Council of Social Science Research Northeastern Regional Center bat ke sekolah Northeastern Hill University. Kin sapelong ya ke Jingïadei retai ke baarsngi halor ke phang pedeng ke bala ai kerteng 50 years of India Bangladesh relations, regionalism, connectivity and the Northeast. Director jong ke Indian Council of Social Science Research Northeastern Regional Center Dr. R.K. Satapati haka jekran bat kinong patai kubor haka khatlai tereng mentau benai rempang arajar arpo ulai tu bayak ini kelempong Ïathir yatai on sepelong haka khatsau bat ka khatsan tereng mentau benai rempang arajar arpo haka skol ba Nehu Shillong yakaba on seple pat ba daulat kejela tatha gata roy ban salong kumukongsan haka ni kesngi haka ni kejelang ban saya keren ru halor ka khai ka pateng ban wanra khambon ki bodar hat neki yo hakapot Kajingrong bian jungki breu hakapot jungki niki artli kiri halor ke Icssr policy bat ki wei mat hakaba on sawan ya sementaru da ki nong mikmat jong ke sarkar nari Bangladesh bat kumjuru da ki he officer jong katnat Ministry of External Affairs jong ke sarkar pedeng nakani kari India bat ki wei
Interest of India as a nation lies with the development and the progress of its neighbors. So India and Bangladesh, if they can join hands together, then not only there will be economic progress, but also there will be social political. So this conference which is invited, this is sponsored by Ministry of External Affairs, Policy Planning and Research Division. They have sponsored. And it is being organized by Jadavpur Association of International Relations, Indian Council of Social Science Research Northeastern Regional Council, and Northeastern Hill University. These three organizations, they are organizing this program. And tomorrow at 10:30, there will be inaugural program in which the Governor of Meghalaya, he will be the chief guest, and at the same time there are personnel from Ministry of External Affairs, they are there. Assistant High Commissioner of Bangladesh, he is also there, he will be there with us. And there will be around 70 plus papers, articles which will be presented there in today's conference. And we will discuss about almost all aspects dealing with India and Bangladesh. And at the same time, we want to find out what are the areas which have been neglected and how to strengthen our relationship and how we can grow together. That also we will try to. So it will be a good policy outlines also, which will be a guideline for the government of India and government of Bangladesh, that we will try to do that. Along with that, we want to see that Northeastern region especially is the special attention of the government of India is a part of that Act East policy. And when we not only look, but we act in the East, Bangladesh is the most crucial country in this regard. The communication, if we can develop between Bangladesh and the Northeast, then not only it will boost our economy, but also it will boost our cultural relationship. And at the same time, the peace process in various places in Northeast that itself will again get boost from a friendly Bangladesh country. So we expect both the countries, they remain close neighbors, they share their history, and especially from the perspective of Northeast India, we want that a prospered and a developed Bangladesh is to our interest also. And we want better communication, we want better relationship, and there has to be, you can say that, mutual exchange and mutual cooperation. The border hut, which was there in the long back historically, now that has been revived in Tripura also, in Meghalaya also, and how this border hut will become again as some sort of stronger, and that will become a bigger, major economy or major actually market for both the countries, that also we'll try to see.
But what is interesting and what is important to note that earlier it was Public Policy Division of Policy Planning Division of Ministry of External Affairs was funding for organizing this conference, and sometimes through Public Diplomacy Division. But for the last 5 years, it is the Policy Planning and Research Division who are funding to organize this kind of conference in the northeastern region. Last year, we organized the same conference at Arunachal Pradesh. Before that in Manipur, then Mizoram. But the aim of organizing this conference is to invite the stakeholders from all over the country. Nearly 90 papers will be presented. 90 papers will be presented tomorrow, and participants are coming from all over India to take part in this conference. And this is the part of the Government of India's Act East policy, and earlier it was Look East policy, but Icssr and Jair is consistently working on this and trying to involve more and more policymakers. Tomorrow, two representatives from the Ministry of External Affairs will be coming. Mr. Mahesh Sharma from the Ministry of External Affairs, Delhi, and also from the Secretariat, Kolkata, another Joint Secretary will be coming. Anup Kumar Shah will be coming. And today, an Assistant Commissioner of Bangladesh will be coming because he is a representative of Government of Bangladesh to this conference. But it is in these days of turmoil when so many confusions are there. Of course, the new citizenship bill, migration, illegal migration, this stands. So what we have planned, and we have given the exact planning to the Ministry of External Affairs, they can discuss it in the public domain, that what are the demands of the people from both the sides to discuss on these issues. Because unless we are engaging ourselves, no proper conclusion will be coming out.